Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to center the logo on your WordPress Blocksy site. Okay, so we have here one of the demo starter sites, and you can see we have the logo here, and we have our header here and our menus and so on, and we scroll down, you'll see that it is on the left-hand side. So let's figure out how to center it if you wanted to do that. So let's go ahead and click on Customize here, and it should take us to the WordPress Customizer. Alternatively, you can go on your dashboard, under Appearance, click on Customize. Okay, in order to customize this, to make it easier for ourselves, let's go ahead and click on Header. And we have here our top row, our main row, and our bottom row. And you can see here it is reflected on these items here. Now, if we wanted to center our logo, we have our logo here. We can just drag and drop it to any one of these points that are highlighted in blue. And you can see we can move it here, we can move it here. But it'll clip over to the other side here. But again, if we wanted to be centered, we could do it like this. And we put this button over here. And that's basically how you center your logo. We can also click on here, and we have our design, so we can add shadows. We can add shadows to our top layer, and we can change the background and border color. You can see, but I'll just reset that to just white. And we can also change our minimum height. And you can see now our logo is centered and it is a little bit customized. So let's hit publish, and we'll wait for that to save, and we'll return to our main website. And you can see that our logo on our Blocksy WordPress site is now centered in the middle. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.